If you don't want to miss any more videos, make sure you're subscribed, like this video, and make sure to turn your notifications bell on. Hey guys, Keilan here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you for tuning in and watching my video. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you for your support and just continuing to watch my videos. So if you guys are not aware, I have curly hair and I'm always on the hunt for the next best curly hair product. As any curly girl, we're known to be product junkies. So if you have curly hair, I bet you have about 20 different products underneath your cabinet of curly hair products. It's just something that comes along when you have curly hair. But anyway, with that being said, I came across some new products that I don't know if they're new to the market, but they're new to me. I was watching Bianca Renee Today, her YouTube channel. If you guys aren't familiar with her, you should definitely go check her out. She has really good videos. But anyway, I was watching her video on this product and I was like, I need to give them a try. And I love them so much. I love the products that I use so much that I was like, I have to go onto my channel and tell you guys about it. So today, my hair, this is second day hair. Using the products, and I don't know if you can tell, but there's some shine, there's some volume, it's not dull. I used to be such a big fan of first day hair, but really, like, as I'm really learning my curls and just really embracing them over the years, since I've been doing that, I really like my second day hair because I like the volume that I get and just the, I don't know, the movement. On first day, it's usually a little crunchy and just drying and just too perfect. But second day and so on, as the days go by, my hair gets a little bit looser and has a little more volume and movement. So anyway, with that said, I wanted to show you guys that this is my second day hair using the products that I'm going to talk about today. So there were other products that I did use in my hair along with the main products that I am going to be talking about today, but I really just wanted to focus on those newer products. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys. These are two products that I recently purchased from Ulta. They're from the brand Noughty. I got the leave-in conditioner. This is the Intensive Care Leave-In Conditioner. And then I also got the Wave Hello Curl Defining Taming Cream. It has like really cute packaging. I like the packaging. It's pretty simple and just sleek, and I don't know, I like packaging like that. And I love the fact that it is a squeezy tube. I feel like you could just get, I don't know if you guys are like me, but I don't always like to put my hands in a jar to scoop out the product to put it in my hair. I don't know, it's not really that big of much of a deal, but I just like squeezy tubes for some reason. Because now that I'm thinking about it, I'm like, well, the reason I don't kind of like putting my hand in the jar because it gets all messy and all that, but you're still kind of gonna get messy with the squeezy tube because you're still putting it in your hand. But anyway, maybe it's just me, I don't know. Anyway, I really like the packaging. First off, it's really easy to use, and secondly, the products inside of the packaging, they are amazing. I'm going to start with the leave-in conditioner. This retails for, on my phone, I'm trying to see, I had it pulled up here. At Ulta, this retails for $9.99, which is not that bad when you think about some of the curly products that they have on the market today. A lot of Shea Moisture products are kind of right up there. I don't think they're like at $9. I think they're maybe just like a little bit under, but they're kind of right in that like drugstore category when it comes to price. But this retails for $9.99. Actually, at Ulta right now, I don't know how long this is going to go for, but if you buy one, you get one 50% off. So if you are interested in this, head on over to Ulta. So on the back of this product. It says, hair in distress needs a knight in shining armor. Our 97 natural intensive leave-in conditioner helps to banish damaged hair and split ends. Super clenching shea butter and argan oil. Nourish and protect hair, leaving it stronger for longer. No water needed, easy peasy. Basically, you apply this just like you would any other leave-in conditioner. If you're familiar with leave-ins, you just apply it usually after you have shampooed and conditioned your hair. You towel dry it and you put your leave-in conditioner in. Let me just first off and say that this product is so thick. If you have a thick curly hair like I do, I would say I have probably like 3C, between a 3B and 3C curl texture, and if you have that type of texture, I always apply thicker products because I feel like my hair absorbs it better, and overall I get the final results that I'm looking for. So if you're someone that's looking for a thick leave-in conditioner, I would definitely say get your hands on this because it's so thick in consistency. The smell is, I don't know if you've smelled Garnier Fructis. They have like a leave-in conditioner. It's in a brown bottle. I think I still have it. Give me 1 second. So like I was saying, Garnier Fructis has a whole blends line, and this is what the product looks like. It's a leave-in conditioner, and this is the coconut oil and cocoa butter leave-in conditioner. These two, the Noughty and the Garnier Fructis, they smell so much alike. If you smell this someday in the store, that's what this smells like. Only it's a little bit softer. It smells amazing. It has shea butter and argan oil in this leave-in conditioner, and it's so nourishing. I almost wanted to just try this product alone, but I don't know. I don't know if it's just habit. I just was scared to try it just by itself because I was doing my hair because I had to go to church the next day, and I didn't want to have to go through my hair being messed up and having to redo my hair before I had to go to church and stuff like that. Anyway, I didn't want to try it on its own. Maybe I will one day, but for the sake of doing a wash and go, I just decided to pair it with the other product that I got. But it's so thick in consistency, and it makes your hair feel like butter. The slip in this leave-in conditioner is amazing. I put it in my hair, and like after you shower and you wash your hair and all that stuff, your hair is normally well, I know for me, my hair is a little bit tangled, and I have to detangle it before I apply my products. So normally when I apply my leave-in conditioner, my hair is good to go. I can apply the rest of my products, and my hair is detangled and all that. This product had an amazing slip, and I was able to do that. As soon as I put the product in and worked it in through with my hands, my hair was getting detangled. I really even have to use a brush, but I did just to really detangle and all that stuff. But it makes your hair feel like butter, or it goes in your hair like butter and makes your hair feel so soft and moisturized and hydrated, which is all the things we look for in a leave-in conditioner. So I definitely would say if you're looking for something very hydrating, gonna make your hair feel very nourished and not dry at all, definitely look into this product, because that's definitely the results that you're gonna get after you apply that into your hair. It just feels amazing. And to top it all off, making your hair feel that amazing, this product contains no silicones, no sulfates, anything like that. It's 97% natural, which is amazing, and it still gives you a lot of definition. Like I said, I didn't want to try it on its own, but after I applied it into my hair and then detangled and all that stuff, my hair was already starting to be really defined. Like I can see my curl pattern just starting to form, and it just looked amazing. So I'm not really like a person that's so I can't use silicone products. Like I don't mind sometimes if it's gonna make my hair look good, and I know how to take care of my hair to get it hydrated and moisturized and all that. So I'm not really like I use products that have silicone sometimes, but if I can find a good product that doesn't contain silicones and it's not going to build up and all that stuff, then I'm going to use it. And this product, it's affordable and really good ingredients, and makes my hair look amazing and silicone free. Get your hands on this. Next, I used my Wave Hello Curl Defining Taming Cream right after I used the leave-in conditioner. This is also another thick product, and it just, on top of the way your hair already feels with the leave-in conditioner, it just intensifies that and just makes it so moisturized. And it's like you automatically feel my hair is getting really moisturized, and it's not going to look dry. It's not going to look, you know, tangled or anything like that. I don't know how else to explain it, but other than just really moisturizing. I'll read on the back what it says. Wave Hello to define, stand out, controlled curls. Our curl optimizing Quin Oxy formula fights frizz, leaving waves smooth and hydrated. And as you can tell, my hair, I mean, there's a little bit of frizz. It's 6:25 on the second day at night, so there's gonna be some frizz in my hair, but it's shiny. Like, I don't know, it's shiny. It's not like super frizzy. There's definition. There's some hold. Now I don't know if that has to do with the gel I used, but there's some hold, and it looks amazing. And I feel like those two products together, being the base of what I put in my hair, I feel like just topped, when I put in the gel and everything, I feel like that just topped it all off. But these two products as a base, I really feel did an amazing job in my hair. It looks different than my normal everyday wash and go that I tend to use, the products that I tend to use. It just looks a lot better. And normally I apply like 4 different products, well 5 sometimes, and I only applied 3 minus an oil. Like, I can deal with that. That cuts down some time, and I get the results that I'm ultimately looking for. So I used these 2 products, and then I used some gel. This is by Tresemme. It's the Maximum Hold. It's the Mega Firm Control Tress Gel, Mega Sculpting Gel. And yeah, I just apply this as always. All the products that I use in my hair, I always apply a gel last. So I applied this, and then I applied my macadamia natural oil healing oil spray, and that was all I applied in my hair. And I am just in love with the results. And there's still like some like hold a little bit in my hair, like a cast. I did get a cast, and like I said, I don't know if it's because of the gel, because I always get a cast. I like a cast on my hair. I know that I'm going to get the definition that I want in the hold when I have a cast. If I don't have a cast on my hair after I've applied the products and they start to dry and everything, then I get a little nervous, because then I know it's not going to hold up to how I like it. So to end everything, I know that was like a lot of stuff, but overall these products are amazing. Get your hands on them. I did not tell you guys the price of the Wave Hello. So the Wave Hello also retails for $9.99, and like I said, at Ulta they are doing the sale where you buy one and you get 150% off. Get your hands on these products, and you can get a good deal at Ulta for them. This is not sponsored by Ulta or anything like that. I'm all for a good deal. So get your hands on these and head over to Ulta so you can get a really good deal. If you use these products in conjunction with, if you use a gel or some type of product that gives you hold with these products, I think you'll have amazing results. If not, if you're like a 2 product or 1 product type of person, I think you'll definitely get the hold with these products. I really do. That's all that I have for y'all today. If you're wondering, you know, why I have the same shirt on and the makeup, you haven't checked out my last video, so you should actually go check out my last video, then come back to this one, and then you'll realize, oh, that's why. So if you guys have any questions, or tried these products already, or have tried other products in the line, I know they have more products. I have not got my hands on them, but if you've tried other products and the whole collection, their whole line, comment down below and let me know, because I would love to hear some feedback about the products and all that. So comment down below and let me know if you've tried them, or if you have any questions for me that I didn't answer in this video, or if you like to see more videos like this, or have other products that you would like to see me try. Definitely list those down below in the comment section, because like I said, I'm always looking for more products, as if I don't have enough already. But I'm always looking for more products to try out to get that perfect result for my hair. Yeah, list those down below if you'd like to see me try some other ones. And you guys know the drill. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on your notifications bell, so you are notified every time that I upload a video. Also, please help me out and like this video. And I think that is it. Oh, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll put my handle in here somewhere. But don't forget to follow me on Instagram so you can kind of keep up with what I'm doing. I'm trying to get better at posting on Instagram. I'm horrible, but I'm trying to get better. So that is really all. And I'm going to stop talking. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.